Welcome to the Phonetics and Reading Program. Today, let's unlock the world of words for your child, right? And this will be a great experience for each one of you as a parent who is watching this video. So let's go ahead and dive into the Phonetics and the Reading Program now. At this point of time, uh, after COVID, that is especially for the age group of between 5 to 10 years. This age group was the one which was most impacted by COVID. Okay. Currently, those children could be in first, second, and third standard, right? And they are actually going through a lot of challenges uh, in their early childhood, right? And and those children, when you give a book to them, they look very confused and they are scattered and they're unable to identify the letters and make out what the word is and what is the pronunciation of it, right? And those children are actually struggling with recognizing the letters, struggling with the sound of the letters, lacking the confidence because they don't know how to pronounce, right? Due to this, what happens is they get frustrated and their interest level in the academic subjects are actually reducing. Hence, there is actually a very big impact, right? And what you saw right now, recognizing letters, struggling with the sounds, lacking confidence, frustration, and reducing interest levels are just symptoms. Just let's go one step beyond this and understand beyond reading. There's even an impact on the child's psychology, right? And as well as their self-esteem is actually coming down. The belief in themselves that they can achieve is actually coming down considerably. They could be good at maths, science, social, or even literature, but due to one factor that they're unable to read English, due to that reason, their confidence level has come down, and that will impact the academic progress and as well as the self-esteem of the child is actually getting impacted. Now, let's actually understand the story of Sarah, right? And Sarah was actually a girl who had a lot of aspiration and a lot of dreams that she wanted to become an astronaut. But her dream was actually shattered by the lack of reading skills. That was her biggest challenge, which she was going through, right? And so, like this, Sarah went on, went on for a few months, struggling with her reading skills. Then finally, she thought, done is done. Let me search for a solution for this. Then what she did is she started purchasing books and going through mobile apps and approaching private tutors. But nothing worked out. Okay. Nothing worked out. Then all of a sudden, after searching for a lot of time, there was a turning point in her life, and there was a light which struck her mind, and she discovered the phonetics and reading program offered by Creative Mind, right? And what is this program about, right? As you all know, as Sarah wanted to become an astronaut, and she couldn't achieve that dream because she was struggling with reading. And when Sarah discovered the phonetics and the reading program at Creative Mind, she felt good and she started making a lot of improvements. The reason is because the old way what Sarah was learning was only through books, but in the phonetics program offered by the creative mind, it's everything is tailor made and according to the child's need. And also earlier, Sarah was going through a lot of random YouTube videos. So there was no structured process. But in the phonetics program, you have a structured program, which will definitely help out the child. And off late, when a child is not able to read, parents, they send them for tuitions. But unfortunately, in tuitions, they just do what the school does. Just make them read the book, do the homework. That's it. But no specific focus on the child's reading abilities, right? But in our program, you will have a structured lesson plan. Nothing is done here or there. Everything is a structured process. And you don't have to hire expensive tutors or get them to your house. We can provide you the at affordable cost, the phonetics program. And you will start practicing with the direction. But earlier, Sarah used to just read whatever she got without any direction. So, right? So, this is how we distinct ourselves from the old way of reading and the new approach what we have. So, once Sarah went through this program, Sarah found a transformation happening in her life, and her goal to become an astronaut started appearing, becoming more strong. And from those days where Sarah was struggling with her reading skills, now she started reading with more self confidence, right? So, like this, we have many children who have enrolled in our programs, and there was a child by name Aarav, where he was unable to read, and today he actually reads his storybooks and sleeps because he has gone through the reading and the phonetics program offered by Creative Mind, right? And also he started developing a like towards the language, and which he kept on increasing vocabulary his vocabulary and reading skills, right? And this way, after COVID, we have transformed hundreds of children's lives by helping them read, because reading skill is one skill which is an input skill, and if you're able to read, your writing would improve, your spellings would improve, your pronunciation improves, your listening improves, and your mind would expand. And so this is very important for all of us to understand. Okay. So we all have a very unique approach. We have a clear phonetics foundation, and also our books which are given is very simple and straightforward. Okay. And so I would invite you to book a one-on-one call for so that you can invest in your child's future, right? And our programs, you can join our strategy session. There's a link below, which you can see after the video is playing. You'll find a link. You can click on the link, and you can book a one-on-one session with us, and we can discuss what is the requirement of your child, and you can spend time investing time in your child's future. And also, we have a one-on-one session with the parents, so that if they have any doubts or clarifications with regard to the program, how it works, we can discuss on it. So I would request you to book a call with me, and we can go ahead and uh, help you out with the program details, right? So let's start the reading journey. And let's ensure our children have a transformative reading journey together. And so go ahead and schedule the call by clicking the link which is below. Okay. Once again, thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.